So last time we did REN 1 to 16. Now we shall finish off with REN 17 to 24, clinical reasoning quiz. A patient presents with weak voice, fatigue, spontaneous sweating, shortness of breath. Which REN point addresses gathering chi of the chest?
For the
17.
last is REN 17 for the last.
17. Gathering. Which combination of point classifications is most characteristic of REN 17?
Front move of pericardium, front move of upper burner, and
Hui.
Hui gathering point of chi.
Which
Hui.
symptom most strongly supports using REN 17 rather than 23? Actually, favorite ko to ha.
For the breast, for sa to paghinga to chest oppressions with breathlessness.
Actually, ko-compare mo
Respiratory.
to the left ba or to the right. Itututok mo yung yung probe mo. Kung alin mas masakit, doon mo itutok.
Di
Usually,
ba, Dok, perpendicular po ba or oblique? Kasi parang delikado siya, di ba?
perpendicular.
Huwag perpendicular.
Almost.
Delikado siya.
Almost sub-Q siya dapat.
Oo, sub-Q.
Sub-Q. Ihilahin mo yung skin.
Kasi
Ilahin.
super dikit
Tutusok
sa
siya.
Delikado.
Masakit
Pressure
yun
point
eh.
lang
Super
ako.
dikit
Pressure
siya sa
point lang ako
puso.
dyan eh. Oo.
Use a very short needle, very fine.
Subcutaneous pwede.
A practitioner wants to use REN 17 to address insufficient lactation. What directional modification is described?
Insert toward
affected breast.
Which statement best differentiates REN 17 from REN 6 in treating Qi deficiency? Why will you use REN 17?
It will use for addresses chest and gathering chi.
So, ibig sabihin, mas siya, mas malawak, no? The gathering chi. A patient has spleen stomach derived chi deficiency with generalized fatigue. Bakit okay lang kung REN 17 alone?
Primarily influences lung gathering chi rather than spleen stomach chi.
Yeah. So now we have learned na effective pala siya, no? Kala ko kasi puro ka lang REN 12, REN 12. Pwede siya alone lang, REN 17.
Effective din po siya sa mga asthma, Doc.
Sige.
Yes.
Which combination most directly targets chest oppression, palpitations, emotional constraint? So you have here a combination. Siyempre,
Combinations, pampakalma, palpitation, REN 17 plus PC6.
REN 17 is especially appropriate for breathlessness. Why?
Because lung, heart chi deficiency, and chest obstruction by phlegm.
REN 18 is located at which level?
Third, intercostal space.
Which clinical presentation most closely matches REN 18?
REN 18 is cough, wheezing, chest pain, and fullness of the chest.
So ito yung ginagamit mo sa mga asthmatic?
Yes po, Doc.
Okay, palain mo ng REN 17. Okay. REN 18, okay. REN 18 is associated with the idea of
Jade and an inner hall of wisdom.
REN 19 is level with which front shoe point?
The heart.
Which pair of functions is attributed to both REN 18 and REN 19?
REN 18 and REN 19. Calms the Shen, regulates stress and stagnation.
Which anatomical sequence is correct from REN 17 through REN 20? Paakyat or pababa?
For the fourth, for the third, for the second, and first intercostal space.
REN 20 is located at the level of?
Dito yun eh. Sa first intercostal space.
Which conceptual relationship is emphasized in the description of REN 20?
Shen and Bo.
Shen and
which clinical presentation best corresponds to REN 20 or kailan mo siya magandang gamitin?
Cough, wheezing, and chest
Chest
oppression.
oppression.
So parang 18, 19, 20, maganda, di ba?
Oo,
Which
18.
point is located 1 below RAN 22?
21.
Yes. Which anong klaseng tanong? Which combination best describes RAN 21?
Regulates lung qi and benefits the
Yeah, papunta
throat.
na sa throat.
Sa throat.
Symbolic
So,
name
horse.
T is associated with
A precious heavily pivot.
which combination correctly identifies RAN 22?
22.
Window of heaven point plus
Hmm.
point of yin wei mine.
Oh, di ba? Gusto mong pumunta ng heaven.
Akala ko point mo point.
Hindi no. Iba ang
Hindi
plano
pala.
ng pericardium. Di ba?
Oo nga pala. Oo.
A patient has chronic cough, wheezing, profuse sputum, rattling sound in the throat. Parang nakaka-relate ako dyan. Which point most directly addresses this stage?
Rattling.
RAN 22?
And 22.
Yeah, pero nakakatakot naman ako magtuso. Which REN point is an important local point for disorders of throat and voice? Oh, voice.
Voice, diba? RAN 22?
Ren 22.
Which symptom most strongly distinguishes REN 22 from REN 23?
Phlegm
Obstructing the throat with rattling respiration.
Which point combination is explicitly recommended for cough, asthma, rebellious lung qi? Ibig sabihin, umuubo.
lung 7 and RAN 22.
Plus Ren.
Huh?
Ren
RAN
22
22
plus
plus
lung
lung 7.
7.
Okay. REN 22 is particularly important in both acute and chronic respiratory disorders. Why?
Because
This
the
lung
lung series of phlegm.
Which location correctly describes REN 22?
22.
Center of suprasternal fossa.
Which safety consideration is most important sa REN 22?
It is in the suprasternal region with important underlying anatomical structures.
Which point is associated with aphasia after wind stroke? Nahirapan na magsalita after nag-wind stroke.
RAN 23.
Wow. Favorite mo?
Sakto lang.
Wind stroke.
Which anatomical description best identifies REN 23?
Depression
above the
hyoid bone on the anterior midline of the neck.
Which is the most characteristic action of REN 23?
Benefits the tongue in speech.
A patient has aphasia after stroke and difficulty controlling tongue movement. Ibig sabihin, gumagalaw-galaw. Anong point together with REN 23?
Lung 7.
Heart 5,
Heart
Doc?
5.
Wow.
Heart 5? Pag sa wind?
Yes, ewan ko. Ano yung hula?
Heart 5?
Heart 5. Which
Heart 5.
manifestation would favor REN 23 over REN 22?
Aphasia and tip of contracted tongue.
REN 23 can also be used when rebellious qi manifests as
vomiting of foamy saliva.
which pair is correctly matched?
Ito sa wind strokes to REN 23, aphasia after wind stroke.
Yes, remember REN 23.
REN 23 sa may ano
Okay,
to.
REN 24, patient.
Sa may ngala-ngala.
English, please.
Mentolabial groove.
Which group of channels meets at REN 24? Kaya nagigising. Ito ba yun? Iba pala yun. Sorry.
Meets REN 20. Do, large intestine and stomach. Do.
REN 24 is identified as one of Sunsi Miao's.
Ghost point.
Which action is most characteristic of REN 24?
Extinguish interior weight and remove facial channel obstruction.
A patient develops facial paralysis with deviation of the mouth following wind invasion. Which point?
REN 24.
Which symptom most strongly suggests REN 24 rather than REN 23?
Para sa paralyzed to facial paralysis and deviations of the mouth.
Which combination is explicitly associated with facial paralysis and mouth or lip disorders?
Sa mukha to REN 24 plus stomach 4.
Wow. Which sequence best reflects the dominant clinical progression from REN 17 to REN 24? So this
Chest, lung chi to throat, tongue, speech to mouth, face.
a patient has chest oppression, palpitations, emotional constraint. Points.
Palpitation.
Pampakalma.
REN 17 plus PC6.
Kanina to di ba? Patient
Oo.
with throat obstruction, difficulty swallowing, voice problems. Which combination?
Swallowing
REN 22 and 23.
A patient presents with tongue speech disturbance and associated throat symptoms. Combination.
REN 23 and do 15.
Wow. Congrats. Which
Alam
combination
yun.
is most appropriate for chi deficiency, accompanied by chest oppression and shortness of breath?
Pressure of the sa chest. REN 17 plus REN 6.
Obvious na obvious, REN 6, di ba? Chi deficiency.
Uh,
Which pair represents clearest distinction between upper chest and facial regions?
facial regions. REN 17, REN 24.
Wow. Which clinical
17.
scenario best demonstrates the transition from a REN 22 indication to a REN 23 indication?
Phlegm with cough and wheezing to aphasia with tongue dysfunction.
A patient has shortness of breath, chest oppression, cough with phlegm, followed by throat obstruction, difficulty speaking. Which sequence of REN points best follows the clinical progression? Ibig sabihin, yung muna papunta sa taas.
So sa ano muna, no? Sa check muna tayo. REN 17, REN 22, REN 23.
Very easy.
17.
Congratulations, kahit may isa or dalawang mistake. Pero ang galing nyo. Grabe.